Hi guys, we are back with another video today. I am gonna be skating today. Right over here, I'm gonna be skating. I'm gonna be dropping in today. So let me go get my scooter real quick. Okay guys, so we got my scooter, so let me drop it down right here. Not really sure if you guys see that, but if you dig, comment down below. Alright guys, well make sure to like and subscribe, turn on post notifications for some other videos. Alright, see you guys. Peace.